Introducing the motorbike chain and sprocket kit, a crucial component for smooth and efficient riding. The chain transfers power from the engine to the rear wheel, connecting it to the sprocket. It is vital to keep the chain properly maintained to ensure optimal performance and avoid potential issues. Regular cleaning and lubrication are necessary to prevent rust, reduce friction, and extend chain life. Use a quality chain lubricant and clean the chain after riding in muddy or dusty conditions. Inspect your chain regularly for tight spots, excessive wear, or loose links. If you notice any of these issues, it's crucial to address them promptly to prevent further damage. Failure to maintain the chain can result in decreased power transfer, excessive noise, or even chain breakage while riding. A broken chain can cause a loss of control, resulting in a dangerous situation for the rider and others. In addition to the chain, the sprockets also need attention to ensure smooth operation. Inspect the sprocket teeth regularly for signs of excessive wear or damage. Worn sprockets can cause the chain to skip or jump, affecting overall performance and safety. If the sprockets show any signs of damage, they should be replaced immediately. Proper tension is critical for both the chain and the sprockets to work together effectively. Too loose of a chain can cause it to come off or skip, while an overly tight chain can cause excessive stress and wear. Use the manufacturer's guidelines to set the correct tension for your specific motorbike model. Replacing the chain and sprocket kit at regular intervals is necessary to maintain optimal performance. The lifespan of an average chain and sprocket kit can vary depending on various factors like riding conditions and maintenance. If the chain or sprockets are nearing their recommended lifespan or showing signs of wear, it's time for a replacement. Regularly replacing the chain and sprockets ensures your motorbike's continued smooth and safe operation. In summary, the motorbike chain and sprocket kit play a crucial role in power transfer and performance. Proper maintenance, including regular cleaning, lubrication, and inspection, is essential to avoid potential issues. Whether it's a loose link, worn sprockets, or incorrect tension, addressing these problems promptly is key. By keeping your chain and sprocket kit in top condition, you can enjoy a safer and more efficient riding experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Your support keeps us going.